अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। आज की वीडियो में हम ईमेल एमसीक्यूज़ के पार्ट 6 को डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने इससे पहले वाले पार्ट्स नहीं देखे तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए आज की एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डज द मार्क एज स्पैम ऑप्शन डू। मार्क एज स्पैम ऑप्शन का क्या काम होता है? ऑप्शन ए, इट सेंड्स द ईमेल टू योर आर्काइव फोल्डर। ऑप्शन बी, इट डिलीट्स द ईमेल इमीडिएटली। Option C, it marks the email as junk and moves it to the spam folder. Option D, it reports the sender. The correct answer is option C, it marks the email as junk and moves it to the spam folder. Marking an email as spam helps filter out unwanted messages in the future. Question number 2 is, which of these is the best way to write an email when you need to deliver bad news? Option A, be direct but polite, offer solutions and express empathy. Option B, write in a blunt, matter-of-fact tone. Option C, ignore the recipient's feeling and just state the fact. Option D, use humor to soften the message. The correct answer is option A, be direct but polite, offer solutions and express empathy. Delivering bad news should be done with respect, empathy, and clarity while suggesting solutions if possible. Question number 3 is, which of the following is a benefit of using CC in email? ईमेल में डबल सी यूज करने के क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं? ऑप्शन ए, इट कीप्स एवरीवन ऑन द सेम पेज अबाउट हु इज इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द कन्वर्सेशन. ऑप्शन बी, इट हाइड्स email addresses from privacy. Option C, it saves time by allowing a message to be sent only to the sender. Option D, it ensures that only one person reads the message. The correct answer is option A, it keeps everyone on the same page about who is involved in the conversation. CC ensures that multiple recipients can see who else is involved in the conversation. Question number 4 is, what is the primary advantage of using email over traditional mail? Option A, faster delivery. Option B, increased cost. Option C, limited access to international recipients. Option D, lack of security. The correct answer is option A, faster delivery. Emails are delivered almost instantly, whereas traditional email takes longer. Question number 5 is, what is an email alias typically used for? Option A, sending a spam email. Option B, hiding your email address for privacy reasons. Option C, collecting emails from a group of people. Option D, automatically responding to incoming emails. The correct answer is option B, hiding your email addresses for privacy reasons. It is often used to prevent your real email address from being publicly visible. Question number 6 is, when sending an email attachment, which of these is good practice? Option A, always check the file size to avoid exceeding the attachment limit. Option B, always attach files without mentioning them in an email body. Option C, never compress attachments before sending. Option D, sends attachments without explaining their content. The correct answer is send attachments without explaining their content. Option A. Checking the size of your attachment ensures they are within the limits of most email services. Question number 7 is, what is the difference between IMAP and POP3 email protocols? Option A, IMAP allow multiple devices to access the same email account. POP3 does not. The correct answer is option A, IMAP allow multiple devices to access the same email account. POP3 does not. IMAP stores email on the server, allowing access from multiple devices, while POP3 downloads email to one device. Question number 8 is, what is the best approach for keeping your email inbox organized? Option A, deletes all email immediately. Option B, use folder and labels to categorize email. Option C, ignore emails and search later when needed. Option D, only archive unread emails. The correct answer is option B, use folder and labels to categorize email. Organizing email into folders or labels helps manage them efficiently. Question number 9 is, which of the following email format is best for readability? Option A, plain text. Option B, rich text with color and fonts. Option C, excessive formatting with multiple styles. Option D, sending the email as an image. The correct answer is option A, plain text. Plain text is the most universally readable format, especially for business communication. Last question is, what is the purpose of the autoresponder feature in email? ईमेल में ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर फीचर का क्या पर्पस होता है? ऑप्शन ए टू ऑटोमेटिकली सॉर्ट इनकमिंग ईमेल्स, ऑप्शन बी टू ऑटोमेटिकली सेंड अ रिप्लाई व्हेन यू आर अनअवेलेबल, option C to block emails from certain senders. The correct answer is option B to automatically send a reply when you are unavailable. Autoresponder send a predefined message to inform the sender that you are unavailable. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। इस तरह की मज़ीद MCQs के लिए आप हमारी वेबसाइट mymcqs.net विज़िट कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।